Respected Principal Sir, worthy teachers, and dear students, good morning to you all.
As you all know, 10th of November was the World Science Day, but it was Sunday, and this is the first assembly after that World Science Day. So I am here to give an idea of ancient Indian knowledge. Dear students, are you able to see this picture? Identify the character shown in this picture. Vara avatar. It is the third avatar of Lord Vishnu. What Vara is carrying over his head? Huh? Earth. Very good. And what is the shape of the earth shown in this picture? Hmm? Spherical. Vara avatar is carrying spherical earth on its head. Can you guess how old this thought is? Avatar. Kalyug, length of the Kalyug is near about 4 lakh years. Then Dwapar Yug, 8 lakh years. Treta Yug, 12 lakh years. And Satyug, near about 70 lakhs years. How old this thought is? More than 100 years, more than 1000 years, more than lakhs of years. How old this thought is? ये जो कल्पना है कितने साल पुरानी हो सकती है? Millions, more than millions years. This means millions years ago, Indians were knowing that the earth is spherical in shape. Isn't it? One more thing. There is a subject you are reading in school, geography. What is the Hindi word of geography? Bhu means? Dharti, earth. Goal means? Spherical. When the other people recognized it as a subject and started learning about the earth, at that time Indians were knowing the earth is spherical. That's why the name given to the subject, Bhugol. Not only knowing the shape of the earth, but they are knowing about the motion also. What is the word used for universe? Hindi word for universe? ब्रह्मांड. Any other? संसार का पर्यायवाची क्या है? जगत. जगत. जिसमें गति हो वो है जगत. Means people, Indian people were knowing that there is motion in the earth. Interesting, huh? When you see in the sky in daytime, what you observe? What? Sun. Sun is a star, na? What is the size of the sun appears when you look from the earth? Size. Disc-like structure, circular disc. And in the night time when you observe the sky, what you see in the sky? In the night time? Stars. What is the size of those stars? Are they appear smaller than the sun or bigger than the sun? Smaller. So when you look from the earth's surface, which star appears the biggest in size? Sun. Huh? There is a star in the Scorpio constellation which is named Jyeshtha. वृश्चिक राशि का एक नक्षत्र है ज्येष्ठा. What ज्येष्ठ means? बड़ा. Sun is appearing the biggest. Then why the name given Jyeshtha to that star? After the invention of telescope, scientists came to know that There is a star Jyeshtha which is 3.5 times bigger in size and 5 times heavier than the sun. Other people outside the India, they know this fact after the invention of telescope. But the Indians were knowing long ago, and that's why they named it Jyeshtha. Isn't it? Okay. Have you visited Ayyappa Mandir? Visited that? Have you seen the Navagraha statues? Navagraha statues? What do you mean by Navagraha? 9 planets. After the invention of telescope, the other people know that there are 9 planets revolving around the earth. But we ancient Indians, from long ago we are worshipping Navagraha, 9 planets. One more thing. In the south, there is a tradition. After marriage, the newly coupled are brought out and told to see the sky. What is the reason behind this? Teachers, if you are knowing, what is the reason behind this? Showing the stars to the newly coupled married couple. After marriage, it is the responsibility of both, equal responsibility of both to move forward. No one is dominating the other. Both are equally responsible. Actually, they are shown a twin star system, which is in constellation Ursa Major. And in that Ursa Major, generally what happens, when two stars are close to each other, one star, heavy star, is at the center, and lighter star moves around that heavy star. So, gravitational force of heavy star dominates the smaller star, and that revolves around the heavy star. But in twin star system, Arundhati Vasisht, name is Arundhati Vasisht. Both the stars are having equal masses and are not revolving one around the other. Both are moving in circle like this. No one is dominating. So this message is given to the newly coupled married couple. Aryabhatta, born in the year 476. In his book Aryabhatti, he has given the study of movement of the planets. He has given the sun-centric concept and the reason of occurring of eclipse, solar and lunar eclipse. When the telescope is invented, after the birth of Galileo, in the year in 16th century, and when Aryabhatta born in the 5th century, 16th century, telescope invented. On 5th century, Aryabhatta born. 1100 years ago, he gave the theory of solar system. He studied the solar system, given the reason of solar and lunar eclipse. Not only the sky, but they are knowing about the atom also. Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton has given one atomic theory. All metals are made up of atom. When atom combine, the metals are formed. In which year? Dalton's theory came 1808. In the 19th century, there was a scientist, Rishi Kanad. He born 600 years before Christ, before the birth of Christ. He born in 600 BC, and he has given the atomic theory, that Anu. He postulated every material is made up of Anu, and he described how Anu combine to form other materials. Dear students, question arises, there was no sophisticated instruments, neither telescope nor microscope, then how the Rishi Munis came to know about the universe and about the atom? Which tool they are using to know the facts about this? Which tool? They are not having any apparatus? Then how they came to know? You can go with it. Okay. Which tool they are using? Any idea? Silence and meditation. Silence and meditation are the tools used by Rishi Munis. If someone practice meditation and become perfect in meditation, no need of any instrument. He can look into the space or into the material atom. So dear students, start practicing silence. When you have control over your mouth, then you can control your thoughts and become ready for meditation. So my request is, practice silence. Start from 5 minutes, then increase it by and by.